I read a statistic yesterday that said basically January 1st is the biggest lie in human history.
Whoa, okay. That is a very dramatic way to start a conversation. A lie. Why is it a lie?
Because we all think that when the clock strikes midnight, magic happens. We think, okay, yesterday I was lazy, yesterday I ate pizza for breakfast, but tomorrow I will be a machine. But actually, you wake up and you are still, well, you are still you.
Speak for yourself. I feel totally different. I mean, honestly, I feel like a new man. I bought a planner, a notebook.
Just a notebook?
It's not just a notebook. It has a leather cover. It smells like success. I wrote New Year, New Me on the first page. It has color-coded sections, red for work, blue for gym, green for, I don't know, spending money.
And have you actually used it yet?
Well, I wrote my name in it, and then I was afraid to ruin it with my bad handwriting, so then I closed it and watched TV.
See, that is exactly what I mean. We love the idea of changing. We love buying the gear, the pens, the highlighters, the sticky notes. But doing the work, that is the hard part.
It really is. It's like buying a book and thinking you are smart just because it is on your shelf. I have 5 books on my shelf right now that I have never opened, but they make me look intelligent on Zoom calls.
We are all guilty of that. But let's be positive for a second. We should have goals, right? It's good to want to improve, especially for our listeners who are studying English or trying to get healthy.
Oh, absolutely. The health kick. That is the number one resolution, isn't it? I will lose weight. I will get a six-pack.
Yes, and I will quit sugar.
Oh, don't remind me. I tried to quit sugar 3 years ago. It lasted for, I think, 6 hours?
6 hours?
Yeah, someone brought donuts to the office. I am weak. I see a glazed donut and I lose all control.
That is the problem with January. We go from 0 to 100 too fast. On December 31st, we're eating cake and drinking champagne. And on January 1st, we say, okay, now I will only eat lettuce and drink water.
It's a shock to the system. The body panics. The brain panics.
Exactly. And then there's the gym. Have you been to the gym this week?
Why are you attacking me? I feel attacked.
I'm just asking.
Okay, fine. I went once on January 2nd. And let me tell you, it was a nightmare.
Was it crowded?
Crowded? It was a zoo. It was packed. There were people everywhere. I had to wait 10 minutes just to use the treadmill, the running machine, and there was this one guy.
There is always one guy.
Yeah, he was lifting weights and screaming like, "Arr!" every time he lifted. Sir, this is a public place. Please calm down.
It's the new year energy. Everyone is trying to prove something. But the sad part is, I know what will happen.
We all know what will happen.
By February? Actually, no. By January 20th, the gym will be empty again.
It makes me sad. Why can't we keep the motivation? Why is it so easy to sit on the sofa, but so hard to do a push-up?
Because motivation is... How do I explain this? Motivation is a feeling. It comes and goes. Like the weather. Some days it's sunny, some days it rains. You can't rely on it.
That is surprisingly deep. So, if motivation is the weather, what do we need? An umbrella?
No, we need discipline or habits. We need automatic habits. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't brush your teeth because you feel motivated and excited to brush your teeth, right? You don't wake up and shout, "Yes, toothpaste time."
I mean, no, definitely not. It's not exciting. I just do it because if I don't, my teeth will fall out and my breath will smell terrible.
Exactly. You just do it. It's non-negotiable. We need to treat exercise and English study like brushing our teeth. Just do a little bit every day, even if you're tired, even if it's raining.
So don't try to run a marathon on the first day.
No, just put on your shoes, walk around the block. That's it.
I like that. Lower the bar. Make the goal so small that you can't say no.
Exactly. If your goal is go to the gym for 2 hours, you will find an excuse. Oh, I'm tired. I have work. My cat is looking at me weirdly.
My cat does look at me weirdly when I leave him. He judges me.
But if your goal is do 5 push-ups, well, anyone can do 5 push-ups, even in your pajamas.
I can do that. I can do 5 push-ups. Maybe 6 if I am feeling dangerous.
See? You are already making progress. But sorry, I want to pivot. I want to change the topic slightly. We talked about health, but for our listeners, the big one is English.
The I will become fluent this year goal.
Yes, and just like the gym, people make the same mistakes with language learning. They buy the textbooks
The textbooks that gather dust, just like my dumbbells.
and they download the apps. And they start with so much fire. I will study grammar for 3 hours every night.
3 hours? I can't even pay attention to a movie for 3 hours. Who has that kind of focus?
Nobody. Maybe a robot, but not a human. And honestly, studying grammar for 3 hours sounds like torture.
It is torture. It is cruel and unusual punishment.
So just like the gym, they burn out. Monday they study, Tuesday they study, Wednesday they are tired, Thursday they skip it, and by Friday they delete the app.
And then they feel guilty.
The guilt is the worst part.
It really is. I remember when I tried to learn Spanish. I missed 1 week, and I felt so ashamed that I never opened the book again. It's the all or nothing mentality.
The all or nothing trap. This is so important.
Explain it to me, because I think I live in that trap.
Okay, imagine you are walking down the street and you trip. You stumble a little bit. Do you lay down on the pavement and say, well, I guess I live here now?
No. I look around to see if anyone saw me, and then I keep walking.
Exactly. You keep walking. But with goals, people trip, they eat one cookie, or they miss one English lesson, and they just lay down on the pavement. They give up completely.
I ate a cookie, so my diet is ruined. I might as well eat the whole box.
Yes, I missed my English class, so I will never be fluent. I quit. It's crazy when you say it out loud, isn't it?
It is crazy, but we all do it, so how do we stop?
We have to be kind to ourselves.
Kind? That sounds soft. I thought we needed discipline.
You need both. You need to be disciplined enough to start, but kind enough to forgive yourself when you mess up, because you will mess up. You are human.
I am definitely human. Very flawed. Very tired.
And that's okay. January 1st is not a magical gate. You can start again on January 12th. You can start on a Tuesday afternoon.
You can start right now.
You can start right now.
Okay, I am feeling better about my failed gym attempts. But I have a specific question about studying English, because a lot of people say immersion, just watch movies.
Oh, the just watch Netflix method.
Yeah. Does that work? Because I watch a lot of TV, but I don't feel smarter.
It works if you do it right, but most people do it wrong.
How do you watch TV wrong?
Well, do you watch with subtitles?
Of course, I need to know what they are saying.
In your language or in English?
In my language. Usually.
Bzzzt. Wrong answer.
Hey, don't buzz me.
Sorry, but that is the problem. If you read the subtitles in your own language, your brain is lazy. It just reads the text. It ignores the audio. Sorry, but that is the problem. If you read the subtitles in your own language, your brain isn't listening to the English. Your brain is lazy. It just reads the text. It ignores the audio.
But if I turn off the subtitles, I won't understand anything. It will just be noise. It would just be blah, blah, blah.
Then keep the subtitles, but switch them to English.
English audio and English text?
Yes. That way, your brain connects the sound to the word. It's like training wheels on a bicycle. It helps you, but you are still riding the bike.
Okay, that sounds doable. I can try that. But what if I don't know a word? Do I pause the movie and look it up?
No, never pause the movie.
Why?
Because it ruins the fun. If you pause every 2 minutes to look at a dictionary, it's not a movie anymore. It's homework. Just guess. Guess the meaning from the context.
Guess the meaning. Okay, I can do that. I am good at guessing. Usually I guess wrong, but hey, I try.
Trying is enough. But I want to shift gears again. We talked about health, we talked about English, but there is another big New Year theme. Work, career, money.
Oh boy, here we go. The new year, new job pressure.
Exactly. Or the hustle culture. You know, people on Instagram saying, I wake up at 4 a.m. I read 3 books before breakfast. I invest in crypto.
I hate those people. I really do. I wake up at 4 a.m. only if I have to go to the airport or if the house is on fire.
It's so toxic. This idea that you have to work 24/7. I'll sleep when I'm dead. Have you heard that phrase?
Yeah, it's a stupid phrase because if you don't sleep, you will die sooner.
Thank you. That is what I keep telling people. You need rest. Your brain needs rest to learn English. If you don't sleep, your brain can't store the new memories.
So, are you telling me that sleeping is actually studying?
In a way, yes.
Okay, stop the recording. This is the best advice ever. Sleeping is studying. I am going to tell my boss that tomorrow. Sorry I'm late. I will studying.
Don't tell your boss that. I don't want to get you fired. But seriously, productivity isn't about working more, it's about working better.
Working smarter, not harder.
Exactly. But it's hard to remember that when you look at social media.
Oh, social media is the enemy of January.
It really is. You open Instagram and what do you see?
I see people in Dubai. I see people getting engaged. I see people running marathons with perfect hair. And then I look at myself sitting on the sofa, eating leftovers, wearing socks with holes in them.
It's the comparison trap. You're comparing your behind the scenes with their highlight reel.
Whoa, say that again. That sounded smart.
You are comparing your reality, the messy, boring reality, with their edited, filtered, perfect photos. It's not fair.
That is true. Nobody posts a photo of themselves crying over an Excel spreadsheet.
Exactly. Nobody posts a photo of their failed English test. So don't believe everything you see. Just focus on your own lane. Run your own race.
Run your own race. I like that. Even if my race is very slow, like a turtle.
Turtles finish the race. That's the important part. But speaking of races and running, can we talk about the weather? Because I think that is a huge factor in why New Year's resolutions fail.
You mean the winter blues?
Yeah, it is January, it is cold, it is dark at 4 p.m., it is raining. Who wants to go to the gym when it is raining sideways?
It's a valid point. Biology is against us. In the winter, our bodies want to hibernate. We want to eat potatoes and sleep. We don't want to eat salad and run.
Exactly. I am basically a bear. I just want to sleep until March.
So you have to adjust your expectations. Don't try to have summer energy in January. It's okay to be a little bit slower. It's okay to stay inside. So, home workouts.
Home workouts are great. YouTube is free. There are millions of videos. Yoga for beginners. Cardio without jumping.
Cardio without jumping. That is my favorite category. My neighbors downstairs hate me when I jump.
See? There is always a way. You just have to be creative. And you have to stop waiting for the perfect time.
That is the killer. I'll start when I buy new shoes. I'll start when the weather is nice.
I'll start when I feel ready. You will never feel ready. Just start. Start messy. Start badly. Just start.
Start badly. I think that is my new motto for the year. Do it badly.
It's better than not doing it at all. If you speak English badly, you're still speaking English. You're communicating.
That is true. If I say I hungry instead of I am hungry, people still give me food.
Exactly. It works.
Okay, I am honestly feeling a bit more motivated. Not climb a mountain motivated, but maybe learn 5 words motivated.
That is all we ask for. Small steps, consistency, and forgiveness.
Forgiveness.
Forgive yourself when you fail. Because you will fail. You will miss a day. You will eat the cookie. You will skip the gym.
I will definitely eat the cookie.
And when that happens, don't quit. Just say, oops, and get back on track the next day.
Oops, I can do that.
Be your own best friend, not your own worst enemy.
You know, that is actually really nice advice. I think we should end on that positive note before I say something cynical and ruin it.
Probably a good idea. So, for our listeners, Happy New Year! Whether you are listening to this in January or July, the new year starts whenever you decide it starts.
It starts today, or, maybe tomorrow morning after breakfast.
Oh, you are hopeless.
I am realistic.
Goodbye, everyone. Good luck with your English.
See ya. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh, look at you, acting like a real YouTuber.
I try. Bye.
Wait, one last thing.
What? I thought we were done.
We need to know, what are their resolutions?
Oh, right. If you are listening, tell us in the comments. What is your goal? English, gym, or just surviving?
Write it down. If you write it down, it's more likely to happen.
And we will read